Jack Chapman Auto Repair Shop Success. Today I wanted to talk to you about mindset. One of the things we talk about in our customer experience workshop is being an empty cup. Now there are many stories out there with the same basic premise. A man approaches a master in a specific area. The master asks if he'd like a cup of tea. The student says yes, and so the master starts to pour as the student starts to tell the master what he believes he needs and doesn't need from him. All the while, the master just keeps pouring. Eventually, the tea overflows and the student freaks out, whoa, whoa, whoa. And the master then tells the student that he's demonstrating that the student's cup is full. There's nothing else that's going to get into that cup. The story then goes on to explain the different types of cups. The first is that full cup. You already believe you have everything you need. Nothing else is going to fit. No more information will be learned in that case. The second is the cup with the hole in the bottom. This is where we hear what's being taught, but we never actually apply it and never take it to heart. The third is the dirty cup. This is where new information, clear information is being poured into our preconceived ideas, and so it makes it cloudy. Nothing new is actually learned, and we just have this bias of what we believe to be true. And finally, the empty cup. This represents the ideal way to be a student. It's hearing and applying what's being taught. So what cup are you? I challenge you to be an empty cup, a lifelong learner. Realize that our industry is always changing and there's never going to be an end to learning. And if you're interested in our upcoming course or coaching or you just want to chat, anything we have to offer, just reach out to us today. Also, if the content piques your interest and you want more, follow us on social media. Use our content in your meetings or just to get your thoughts going. And as always, we can't wait to see you.